How to add shape designs in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a different shapes or different kind of shapes and designs into your Hostinger website. So it is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over your Hostinger website builder dashboard. As you can see, we are on Hostinger or hpanel.hostinger.com. Then we are going to head over our websites. So from here, we are going to select the website lists, and then we are going to see the list of the websites that we have. So basically, when you use Hostinger, it will give you two options from the beginning, the WordPress and the Hostinger website builder. You're going to select only the website or Hostinger website builder because the WordPress is not going to be our domain for today. So we are going to click on edit website. It will open up the website real quick. And from here, we can add the elements. So basically, you are going to find the shapes that you can add from the elements. So you are going to head over the left side of the screen. We have here this little menu. We are going to click on the plus icon. And then we are going to see the top elements that we can add. We have text, buttons, etc. And also we have shapes. I'm not going to add it as like this, but I'm going to create a clean section or a white section so we can distinguish all the shapes. I'm going to add a section and this section should be blank. So we can go ahead and decide if we are going to keep, customize, or delete that specific shape. I'm going to drag and drop the shape in here and it is going to be a random shape. So you can change the shape from here. So for example, we have the rounded shape, a triangle, and we have the more complicated shapes. So each one of the shape is going to be like that. So or something like lined, discontinued lines or continued lines. You can add some animations to the shapes. For example, I'm going to add the circle, and then we can add some animation to it like fading, scale, slide, or whatever. So this shape could be also modified by the color by changing the color of the shape to something that maybe you like, and also could be duplicated just like that, and it is going to be set as this. You can make it showing for the mobile version or the desktop version or one of them only. So basically you can add or put whatever shapes that you want. You can duplicate the shape instead of having another shape installed. So you are going to duplicate that shape and you're going to change it like this. So I'm going to change this shape like here, and then we are going to make it with another color, just maybe something like that. And you can make the shape bigger or smaller, wider or narrower. So as you can see, this is very cool. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.